Yup, demonic birds right here tormenting me. You hear them? Listen. Birds aren't birds, they're, you know, demons inside of them, you know. Not even possessed, I don't believe, you know, so. Yup, they've been tormenting me at my house. Even here at this workplace that I'm at right now. So, yeah, see, listen to them. Those aren't normal birds. And it's in the middle of the night, like 2 in the morning or something. Birds aren't supposed to be like that. They're supposed to be like asleep. But yeah, I'm a security guard, and yeah, I'm camped out here, you know, so watching the place. And since I've been out here, you know, these birds have been harassing me for hours, you know, so. I got to do my round. So, anyways, yeah. Yeah, I really don't want to be doing these, hear them? They're not regular birds, man, they're demonic birds. They've been laughing at me and shit. Hear them? Not normal birds, guys. I know, it's crazy. I really don't want to even be doing this video. I'm stressed out, but, you know, I feel like I gotta fight, you know, and do this, so. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, I could talk a whole bunch about stuff, but I just don't really, you know, want to. So, I mean, I can make some more videos about that, you know. So, yeah. Yeah, I got a lot of problems right now. And I gotta make videos to expose this shit, and I'm being tormented by birds. I'm not doing well, man. I'm in Satan's prison here. There's no escaping. You go to the woods to escape the demons. Well, guess what? You're gonna be tormented by demon birds. So. Yeah, like cockroaches, those are demons too, you know. They're made to, you know, bother you. Yep, go in your house and stuff, yeah. So, Hear that? Well, I'll go back to the birds again so you can hear them. But I gotta finish my round, so yeah. As you can tell, I don't sound too well. I'm not, So, I've been tormented by, the devil for a while, so. I'm at work. I shouldn't even be filming this place, but hey, I gotta expose, what's going on, so I don't want to sit here and be a little bitch and get tormented by the birds. I want to videotape it to show you guys, so. But yeah. Sorry for boring you guys. I'll be back over there soon, just finishing my rounds. I could be talking about stuff, but I'm just not in the mood. I really don't even want to be doing this right now, videotaping. So. If I stop the video, it's because somebody's around or something, guys, so yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go back to where the birds are. We can listen to them, just more proof of it. So. See that bird? It's laughing at me. Hear it? See, it laughed at me again. Hear how loud that is? Doesn't sound like regular birds, does it? Shine my flashlight, see if I can see the birds. Well, don't really see them, so. Well, I think this is a good enough video. It exposes it, so. I mean, I've been chirped at my house violently by birds, tormented by them. I mean, I can't even get sleep. They wake me up and stuff. I mean, so. Yeah. Well, guess that's a good enough video. Alright, peace out, guys. Sorry it was a bad video, but hey, I think it's good at the same time. Anyway, so, yeah, alright.